How to add black bars in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I would like to add the black bars to. Now the first thing that you gotta do is select the video that you wanna add the black bars to. Once you selected it, go to color and make sure that timeline is selected. From here, click this button right here, so it's the second from the right. Make sure to select this icon right here. And then in cropping, crop the top and the bottom. Now you can do, let's say 100 right here. And let's do the same exact thing to the bottom. Now let's go to the edit and see the video. And there you go. That's how to add the black bars in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.